Hi, I'm Cynthia Mabry. I have had eczema type issues for quite some time. It just got unbearably out of control. My eczema flared up earlier this year, and I tried to do everything that I knew possible to manage it. And Dr. Winter referred me to Jean Winter, the nutritionist, and Jean totally changed everything for me. We found out that my liver was clogged and that my skin had started acting like the backup to my liver. My legs were painful. It wasn't just an eczema that you would think that kind of burns and itches even. These were weeping sores, and so much so behind my knees, it was really hard for me to walk. And within just a few weeks of working with Jean and starting to, help my liver do its job, the patches started to go down and they stopped burning, and I wasn't in pain anymore, and I could wear pants. Well, it took a few weeks to be able to wear pants again, but it has been quite a journey. And so we found that it was heavy metals that was in my liver, and then I was also compromised by parasites. And who would have thought that my skin is the backup to my liver? So, now I'm able to know if I'm out of tune with anything just by my skin's reaction. And that is just incredible how the body lets us know what's going on. So that is my story.